Hello, everybody. In this extract, we'll learn how to fix cell references and explain why this is an important part of modeling skills. Let's type the following formula within the spreadsheet we see. I'll multiply the volume by the cost per unit in order to obtain the total cost for the given item. Here's the result. You can see in the formula bar that these are the references of the cells which we multiplied. Now the next thing I'd like to do is to multiply the volume by the price per unit. What if I copy the formula to the right? We immediately notice that its arguments move to the right as the references are not fixed. This is not what we need here. We wanted to keep one of the arguments of the old formula, but change the other. Volumes had to remain fixed, while the cost per unit should be flexible. The way to do that is to put a $sign in front of the reference we would like to remain fixed. Dollar signs are the symbol used in Excel in order to fix references. In our case, by putting a $sign in front of the column letter G, we'll make sure that when we copy the formula to the right, this argument will remain fixed and we'll be able to multiply the volume by the price per unit. Row references can be fixed as well. For example, if we fix the row reference 4 after G, when we copy the formula downwards, the cell will not change. See how when I copy the formula downwards, the fixed cell remains static? Fixing cell references in the right way helps you organize your sheets well and works more efficiently. By the end of this course, you'll have seen plenty of practical examples of how it's done. For now, this will do. Thanks for watching.